Transform your kitchen with EagleRidge Roofing and Construction. If you're looking for top-notch kitchen remodeling and renovation services in Salem, Utah 84653, look no further than EagleRidge Roofing and Construction. Our team specializes in transforming kitchens into spaces that are both functional and stylish. Whether you're planning a small upgrade or a complete renovation, we offer a wide range of services to meet all your needs. From custom kitchen remodeling to kitchen makeovers, we take pride in offering quality services that fit your unique style. At EagleRidge, we believe in providing tailored designs that maximize your kitchen's potential. Our kitchen construction services include everything from new builds to custom kitchen design and build, kitchen additions, and more. With our design and planning services, we create layouts that are both beautiful and functional, whether it's a modern minimalist design or a rustic charm look. We also offer 3D design concepts to help you visualize your dream kitchen before the work even begins. Our cabinetry and storage solutions are second to none, with custom cabinetry, built-in cabinets, pantry installation, and kitchen islands. We also provide high-quality countertop installation, including granite, quartz, and marble options that will elevate the look of your kitchen. For flooring, we offer tile, hardwood, and vinyl options, along with expert installation and refinishing. EagleRidge also takes care of all your kitchen lighting needs, from under-cabinet lighting to recessed and LED lighting, ensuring your space is both functional and inviting. We provide top-notch plumbing services, including sink and faucet installation, garbage disposal, and pot filler installation. Our appliance installation services include built-in appliances, stove, oven, refrigerator, and more. We don't stop at just the basics. We handle electrical upgrades, smart home integrations, and ventilation solutions to keep your kitchen safe and efficient. Plus, if you're looking to open up your kitchen or make structural modifications, our team can help with wall removal, doctor and window installation, and more. To finish it off, we offer eco-friendly kitchen remodeling options, energy-efficient appliances, and luxury upgrades. No project is too big or too small for our team, and we ensure that every detail is taken care of from start to finish. At EagleRidge, we understand that your kitchen is the heart of your home, and we are dedicated to making it a space that fits your needs and style perfectly. We offer free estimates and project management with licensed and insured contractors who will complete your project on time and within budget. So, whether you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with modern designs or create a more functional cooking space, EagleRidge is here to help. Call us today at 801-784-1457 or visit our website at eagleridgepros.com to schedule your free estimate.